Welcome back, Crammers, to question 21. The diagram shows a regular octagon and a pentagon. Angle GHD is equal to angle FGH. Work out the size of the angle marked as X. Show you're working clearly. So first off, we can find this angle and this angle. And since a whole circle is equal to 360 degrees, if we subtract this angle and this angle, we'll find what X is. So first off, let's find angle GHD. Now we can see that a pentagon is given here and some of the angles are given. So we can use the formula 180 times n minus 2 because it's to find the sum of all the angles inside a given polygon. Since this is a pentagon, we can see that it has 5 sides and n is the number of sides. So we can see that this is 180 times 5 minus 2, or 180 times 3. We can put this into our calculator. We have 180 times 3 gives us 540. So this is 540 in total for the pentagon. Now we know that 540 is equivalent to 112, because it's given here, plus 102, plus 96, and we can see that angle DHG and angle HGF are equal. So that means we can just replace them by y. So we can write here plus 2y. We can combine these values to simplify using our calculator. We have 112 plus 102 plus 96 gives us 310. 310 plus 2y is equal to 540. We can then bring this to the other side. So we have 540 minus 310 divided by 2. This will give us y. So we can find this out using our calculator. We have 540 minus 310 divided by 2. So that means it is 115. 115. So that means that this angle right here is 115 degrees. So now that we have that one angle, we can then look for this angle. Now we can see that this is a regular octagon. So we can use the formula again. 180 times n minus 2. We replace n with 8 since it's an octagon. And this gives us the sum of all angles. But we only want to find one angle. And since there are 8 angles, we divide it by 8. So that gives us 180 times 6 divided by 8. And we can find this using our calculator. 180 times 6 divided by 8 gives us 135. 135. And since each angle here is equal, that means that this is 135. Since we know that a whole circle is 360, we can write here 360 is equal to 135 plus 115 plus x. We can combine these. So we have 135 plus 115 gives us 250. So we have 250 plus x is equal to 360. We can bring this to the other side and we have 360 minus 250 is equal to x. So we can use our calculator one last time. We have 360 minus 250 gives us 110 degrees. So x is 110 degrees. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.